Hi there, I'm Yuri. Welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. Today I will show you 8 days of my food in Japan. Recently I visited my parents during Christmas and New Year's time, and I thought that would be interesting to show you what I ate in Japan 8 days. I was staying at my parents' place, so I ate in my parents' house just regular, I think, average Japanese food. But a couple times I went out with my friend in Tokyo, usually vegan restaurants. It is still difficult to find a vegan restaurant, not everywhere, but I found much better this year or the last year than year before, because even in airport I found out they have vegan friendly restaurant. And I am more likely pescatarian, which is fish eater, but I try to be not eating that, but it's sometimes difficult, especially in Japan. But those are the restaurants that if you are vegan, you might want to visit it. So this is 8 days. This is on the way to Japan. I fly ANA airline and I asked vegetarian meal, and this is like a chickpea dal and tastes pretty good than what I thought. And this is, I think, lunch. That's the sandwich, no meat. And the last one is, I think, okara bowl on the curry also. When I arrived in Japan, this is my mom's nabe, which is fu and tofu, negi, onion, shiitake, and shungiku in it. This is my favorite inari sushi. My mom's made it for me. From top left, it is red turnip pickles and huki and aburage and kimpira gobo and napa pickles and salmon and kombu and rice and miso soup from last night leftover nabe. I went to have my haircut that day, and I found this shop on the street, and it's called taiyaki, and sweet uncle inside and fish molded pancake outside. And the shop lady said this is vegan. From top left, salad with daikon and squid and the sweet miso wrapped on shiso and kimpira gobo and napa cabbage pickle and inari sushi from leftover yesterday and miso soup. From top left, salmon and kombu, sweet miso wrapped on shiso and salmon roll. That's my favorite. And rice and miso soup, which is tofu and nameko mushroom, my favorite. My mom's curry. From top left, root vegetable nimono, salad and korokke and kaki oyster fry, red turnip pickles, and warabi no nimono. I went to Michelin 1-star Shojin Kaiseki restaurant Azabu, Tokyo. It's called Itosho. Tofu no shirae and persimmon fry and sweet black soybeans. It is soup and fu inside. Sweet rice, vegetable tempura. Dried shiitake mushroom sushi. Wolfberry and potato, edible chrysanthemum and spinach wrapped on nori. Soba noodles, pickles, chestnut and sweet rice, and nameko mushroom miso soup. And dessert is tochiotome strawberry. I went to a restaurant called Singapore Seafood Republic,
and it's a Southern Asian restaurant, and this salad was very good. It's fried tofu. I really liked it, and I don't remember everything the names, so just see the pictures. I'm sorry, but food were everything very good. This is dessert. Then I went to Haneda Airport and one of the restaurant, and the food was pretty good. It's almost like a izakaya type of the restaurant. From top left, natto, bitter melon tsukudani, pumpkin squash, napa pickles, red turnip pickles, and warabi no nimono, rice and miso soup. Yakisoba noodles. From top left, salad, pumpkin squash, soup, and sushi. This day I went to Roppongi in Tokyo and Shojin Kaiseki Ryori restaurant. It's called Sogo. But this restaurant is not totally Shojin Ryori restaurant because they said they use fish dashi and egg and dairy. They have so many food and I don't remember every one of them. I'm sorry, so I just show you pictures. The dinner I had in Tokyo Eki Station inside, and it's called Tea's Tantan and vegan ramen. From top left, bitter melon tsukudani and the salmon and cod raw, and rice and potato and komatsuna miso soup. I made this one, salad and tomato spaghetti. This was Christmas Day, and this is not vegan, but it's Christmas cake. This is oyster nabe and seafood salad in family type of the restaurant.
I hope you enjoyed my video and found my 8 days Japanese food are interesting. And if you have any question or comment, please write it down below here, so I will answer as much as possible. And if you want to know any Japanese food or the recipe that you would like to know, please let me know too. And I hope I will see you soon next time. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I'm Yuri. Oh, by the way, I made Yokohama Ramen Restaurant tour. I ate 2 different vegan ramen over there also. So if you're interested in to know about Japanese vegan ramen in Yokohama, check that video out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.